Stephen, we are right outside of Teocalli. You can see the American and Mexican flag both flying very proudly here on Saturday. Those craving more than Mexican food can leave the restaurant knowing that they also helped victims in both Mexico and Puerto Rico. Teocalli has been serving the Kansas City community 11 years and counting. From margaritas to carne con chile to hurricane relief, co-owner and caterer Enrique Gutierrez is from Mexico. His family was not affected by the recent storm. In Puerto Rico, many families weren't so lucky. Many are without power, clean water, and food.
Because these are our people. You know, we might not be from Puerto Rico, we might not be from Mexico, but these are people that definitely need us, today, because tomorrow it could be us.
Gutierrez is partnering with the Kansas City Hispanic groups to host a brunch fundraiser at his restaurant Saturday.
50% of whatever we make on that day will go towards Mexico and Puerto Rico.
He says he hopes his food can bring two communities that he loves together.
Hopefully we get a lot of people turn out on Saturday and make a big impact. If not an impact, a small impact is better than no impact.
The brunch here Saturday will start from 11 and end at 2 o'clock. They have two menu options. One is $20, which features a drink that's included. They also have a $32 option, which includes bottomless mimosas. And again, half of all proceeds raised here on Saturday will go to help victims in both Mexico and Puerto Rico.